Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making a boxing with one, two, three, four packages that came in the mail. Here we go with the first one. So we got the San Francisco 49ers tripop uh, SF on the bottom, 49ers on top, San Francisco in white, gold brim, Mitchell and Ness in gold, got gold snaps, got gray under, Mitchell and Ness, and vintage NFL. Let's try it on. I can wear it with my 49ers jersey. Good fit. That's that one. Next one. So we got another Mitchell and Ness Steelers, uh, Pittsburgh Steelers hat. You got the Steelers in yellow and white. You got the Steelers logo. You got the yellow bill, black crown, yellow button, yellow eyelids, NFL logo on the side, Mitchell and Ness in yellow, and then yellow snaps, and then green under, and then NFL sticker. Let's try it on. Nice fit. That's that one. So we got another Mitchell and Ness Miami Heat hat, red brim, black and red Heat, red Miami, and then the red ball, flaming ball, red button, nothing on the sides, white Mitchell and Ness, red snaps, green under, basketball sticker, Mitchell and Ness tag, and then Hardwood Classics inside. The Pittsburgh Steelers hat I can wear with the Roethlisberger. This fits nice. I can wear this with all my Heat jerseys, LeBron James jerseys. and one Dwayne Wade Heat jersey I can wear. And the last package for today So we got the final Mitchell and Ness Chicago Bulls tri-pop. You got the Chicago in red and white. You got the Bears in multicolored. You got the Bears logo underneath. Orange bell, blue crown, orange button, nothing on the side. You got orange Mitchell Ness, orange snaps, gray under, Mitchell Ness tag inside, and vintage NFL. This one I can wear with either my Brian Urlacher or Jay Cutler jerseys. This fits nicely also. So that has been my unboxing for 4 Mitchell and Ness hats. A 49ers, a Steelers, a Miami Heat, and a Chicago Bulls. Not Bulls, Bears. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.